At Siding and Windows Group, our mission is to deliver the best results using only the most top quality materials. Today we're showcasing a stunning exterior transformation using James Hardie fiber cement siding in the color Aged Pewter. But first, let's start at the beginning. This traditional colonial home in Hinsdale, Illinois needed a few updates. The old siding had worn out and lacked the modern curb appeal that the homeowners were looking for, and their second-story porch was also in very poor conditions, so it's safe to say that they needed some assistance. That's where we came in. The materials we used in this home's renovation were James Hardie fiber cement siding in the color Aged Pewter, a color that is both modern and classic, giving the home a fresh and stylish look. To complement the siding, they chose to use James Hardie's trim in the color Arctic White, and finally, they decided to go with TimberTech materials to renovate the floor and railings of their second-story porch. The result? A stunning transformation that not only elevates the home's look, but also adds lasting protection and practicality. With over 40 years in the siding business, we've mastered the art of transforming and enhancing curb appeal of homes throughout all of the Chicagoland area. As James Hardie contractors, we are proud to be Hardie Elite Preferred and to claim the title as the #1 James Hardie installer in all of Illinois. Trust the experts at Siding and Windows Group to level up the look of your home by giving us a call or visiting our website for a free consultation. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and follow us on social media for more content like this in the future.